Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar using HeyGen. So you're gonna create your account, obviously, then you're gonna go to avatars. You're gonna create avatar, and you're literally just gonna upload either a still or a motion video. Motion pretty much just means that you're in motion, right? You're walking around, you have maybe a different background, whatever. Still is just like you're in a still background, but you're like, you can be moving your hands or whatever. Just be mindful. I recorded a clone one time where I was doing like gestures, like pretending. So if I used it for YouTube, I could say like click the link below. But there is no way to control the gestures. So just keep that in mind. If you use like talking, like and you're moving your hands, and that's one thing, it's naturally gonna use your hands like that. But if you're just doing like gestures like that, there's no way to prompt it to point whenever you say point. So I'm just gonna use still. Then here you can choose video or text instructions. I just put text. It's all good. You can put video. It'll explain to you essentially what you need to look for. Um, Next steps is you can upload footage or do it with a webcam. If you are trying to do like something a little bit more quality that you can use for content, I would just record it with your iPhone and then upload the footage directly. It's gonna ask for at least 2 to 5 minute video, and you can just grab the link and drop it straight in here as soon as you have something created. You have to upgrade into their bigger plan if you want to enable these settings here. And then once you do that, then you pretty much just film. Like here, let me just show you. I can grab this video for example. It's probably too short, so it's gonna give me an error key. Let's see. Let's do this video here. All right, let's see. So see how this one says between 2 and 5 minutes. So obviously that one didn't work. So I drag and drop another one. And then here I would just check off all these different things. And then my footage looks good. And then here it's going to prompt you to record consent, that you do consent to have your clone created. Once you do that, you just hit the button start recording, and then you record yourself saying that. Then you hit submit. It'll take a little bit of time, like 30 minutes or so, for your AI to appear. And then as you can see, this one's still transferring, but this one's ready. You can edit your avatar. If you upgrade to the other plans, you can upgrade like the background, for example, or whatever the case is. You could also do like face swaps, for example. You can put someone else's face here. And then you can alter the speed, the pitch, all sorts of things. In addition, if you just go to create, you can create both horizontal or short form video. So it depends also on like your call recordings. You can it depends on the recordings that you submit if it's going to be horizontal or landscape. So you can do both for YouTube Reels, TikTok Shorts, whatever, or just simply for LinkedIn, which is horizontal. YouTube is horizontal. So that's how you would do that. Um, and then yeah, you can kind of see that here, landscape versus horizontal. Then here in the script, here's where you want to make sure that you're actually typing in whatever is going to be said in the actual wording that is going to be said. So this is not a prompt where you should say the avatar should say, you shouldn't say that, right? You should actually say, hi, my name is Isabella, for example, and the AI is going to replicate this right here. So you just want to make sure that you add some. You can see here that you're capped at 2,000 characters, I believe. So you can add some spacing in between. You want to play it back before you hit submit, because for some of them you might have to like do all caps for like intonations and stuff like that. You also want to play around with like grammar, question mark, period. You want to hit play before you actually hit submit, because once you hit submit, it's going to cost you credits. So yeah, you do all your editing here. And here you can select text, you can change the avatars, etc. Any additional editing that you want to do after the AI has been created, you can take it into CapCut or Loom or any of these other tools. Sorry, not Loom. Canva, CapCut, any of those tools. And you can edit the video and make it a little bit more polished. But you don't have to. You can literally just create it in here. You can also use ChatGPT to help you write the script as well. So I think that is it for now. Once you're done with your video, you hit submit, and you're gonna watch it auto generate. It'll take a little bit of time, maybe like 2 minutes for it to like be generated. and then there you go. You have an AI avatar of yourself, and you can literally create it within minutes using HeyGen.